rails. I mean, it's my first video, and I had to play a popular game, so I chose Dead Rails. So if you like this video and want to see more, or hit like, subscribe, and comment. Today's goal is 10. Yes, 10 likes. So let's get to it. I forgot to tell our goal is to get a train. Which train to be exact? An armored train. Oh, look at that musician though. He wants to come. Let's join the game. So I'm using vampire because vampire is very good for looting towns. If you don't get a gun in the start of the game. So that's why I'm using vampire. Yeah, I do have werewolf, however. So if you want to see werewolf next time, message it, comment it, like. If you get enough likes, if you hit our like goal, I'll maybe do it. And here's some advice: if you're doing vampire, you always buy like one bandage, because you don't know when, and if there are going to be any bandages, or you're gonna die because of radiation poisoning from the sun. Anyways, let's get to it. We're gonna buy one bandage and 3 coal. So 1, 2, and 3. I'm sorry if there's any voiceovers. It's my first video. Let's get to it. Hey, what? Why's there on the ground? Oh, okay, I guess let's go. It's fixed now. Let's go. Oh. Go. Once we hit the first town, it's probably gonna turn night, so we gotta go fast. Oh my god, is that a sheriff? Bit of broken sheriff, but I guess it would do. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, terrified me. Chop, chop, chop. Oh. Okay. Bro, terrifies me. I've never seen a gold. Holding that. Oh my god, snake oil? Man, that's a really lucky spawn. Some things are invisible here, bro. Like, dude. Okay, let's get out of here before the radiation gets us. Okay, let's go. Okay, I don't think so. We need a furniture store. I mean, we have max coal. I don't know if there's going to be coal anywhere. So yeah, let's go. Oh my god, is that doctors? Let's see. I don't know. I guess it's a doctor. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, phew. Oh, again. Another one. Do this. I'll do the swipe shoot. Swipe. Bruh. Okay, let's go. God, there's one more. I gotta keep missing. Let's go. Some bandages, I guess. It's good. Why can't I can I pick up this? Oh my god. So annoying. There's a barrel? This barrel's invisible, bro. Okay, let's go. Is that another doctor? Man, where you going tonight? Look at me healing tonight. Okay, let's go. Chip, chop, chop, and say bye-bye. Oh my god, look at all these bandages. This time it's not glitched. Okay, let's get out of here. I think it's turning night. Alright, so we're gonna get out of this. Oh my god. This spawn is really lucky. Oh my god. We have bandages, a gun, and Smith. Oh my god. Okay, we have to run fast. Okay, let's go. Let's just chip chop these guys. Oh my god, we have to run. You gonna know. That was a JoJo reference. Don't think of anything. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go fast. They're chasing me. Chasing me. Of course. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh my god. 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 Oh fuck. Let's get out of here. Oh my god. I'm getting out of here. Okay. Okay, let's heal. Okay. Okay. Let's get out of here. Okay, we're almost reaching our town, so... Oh, yeah. That. God, so stressful. Why is this game always so stressful? Well, if we can't win, we have to get the first bonds. Okay, let's get... Oh my god, there's a town, but I'm gonna be waiting here. Oh, speaker soon. It's all returning day. Oh my god, there's a bank zombie. Banker, whatever you want to call him. Let's just take his stuff. See, this is why I like Vampire. It's really good for like short games, if you get me. You like Werewolf is also amazing, but that's for more of a long games. Oh my god, drink. Oh my god, he's gonna kill me. Oh my god, we're so super duper low on health. God. Drop that. Let's at least get it. I can't clickbait. Oh my god, this is... Oh. The heck just happened? What is happening? Heal fast. Let's heal and make it fast. Okay. Luckily we got a lot of bandages. Oh my god. There's a minor zombie. See, here's the trick. Make him explode. And then go near everybody else. Oh my god, there's... Go. There are outlaws here. Let them fight. Now we go. Let them fight. Let them fight all these guys. Just let them... Oh my god. I died. Oh my god. Oh my god, I died. Fortunately, I don't have Robux. This is terrible. This is terrible. I guess we have to leave. Leave the game. Yep. Let's go. Basically, this is the end. If you want me to play again, I guess we can try next time with my friend. So bye. I guess. Peace. Like, subscribe, comment, bye.